Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Deluxe. So today we are gonna look at how you can edit your thumbnails for free. So let's get into the video, right? To edit your thumbnails for free, you have to go to the website called snapper.com. So I will add the link at the description below. Just keep watching the video. I will showing you how you can edit your thumbnails and what basic tools you'll need to edit your thumbnails in this website, right? So all you have to do is click on the icon say thumbnails. So there's a custom bit templates which is you can choose it from, but I'll always start from the scratch. So I will click on the page with the white plus sign on it. Then you have to click on the icon say background. So you have to start with adding your background first. So click on the background. So you can choose image from this website. If you really like one of them, go ahead and choose it. But I'm gonna upload my own. So that is gonna add this. So yep. Then you can add effects to your background, right? So I want my overlay to be a bit darker, so I will be going, yeah, that will do it. Then I'm gonna darken up my image a bit more. Yeah. Then personally I don't use blur that much. Subtraction, that's what I want. Right there. Glue. Yep. And contrast. Come on, give me more break here. Give me more break. Right there. Yep. So you can add your text to your image. So I'm gonna change the color to what? I'll go with a bit of bluish. Yeah, bluish. So I'm gonna leave my letter spacing as it, letter line height same as that. So I'm gonna put some offset to my heading. So I'm gonna choose red offset to 6. Yeah, 6 will. Then you can play with your text opacity. I'm gonna leave it like that. Then go to graphics. You can choose any of these icons. Yeah, some of them are free, some of them are not free. So I will be choosing this. You can add to your image, and if you really want to add more image to your thumbnails, all you have to do is click graphics again. Then you can choose one of the image. They got it on the website. Otherwise, you can upload your own. You can upload my own. Yeah, get shot. Give me a headshot, right? Okay, opacity. Yep, that will do. Then you can add a shape to it if you really want to put like shape at the bottom or top of the image. I'm gonna put it on the bottom, so just gonna put it right there. Then change the shape color. That's a border color, so click on the border. I want the border to be red, then this one to be bluish, right? Okay, then on a shape you can add text on top of it if you, yep. So after you done all of those, all you have to do is click download, and this will download it. Yep. So that's my thumbnail I just edited now with you guys. So hopefully this video helps you guys. If somehow this video helps you, please do subscribe and like my channel. See you later.